Rocket Lawyer versus Avvo, two of the biggest names in online legal help. Which one really delivers? On the left, Rocket Lawyer, offering easy legal documents and affordable advice. And on the right, Avvo, connecting you to lawyers, answers, and legal empowerment. Let's skip the marketing talk and compare what actually matters. Each category scores points, so by the end you'll know exactly which platform comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Before we jump in, let's take a look at our roadmap. We're gonna compare Rocket Lawyer and Avvo on legal documents, finding legal help, pricing and value, reputation and user ratings, and features and extras. Cool. Alright, let's start at the top. Alright, starting with legal documents. So Rocket Lawyer is kind of the boss here, honestly. You get this massive library of customizable legal forms like leases, NDAs, wills, you name it. If you've got a subscription, you can make unlimited documents, sign them digitally, and even get this thing called document defense, which is basically a little extra peace of mind. The only catch? For some business-wise stuff, they might charge you extra, but still, super slick if you're a DIYer. Now, Avvo, it's cool for reading up on legal guides, but there's no document generation, like at all. It's more about information and matching you with a lawyer, not actually churning out the paperwork. So yeah, for legal docs, no contest, Rocket Lawyer totally takes the win. Moving on, finding legal help. Okay, Rocket Lawyer lets you ask attorneys questions as part of your membership, and you get discounts if you need more hands-on legal help. It's nice, but the attorney selection process is a little, limited, like you don't get a huge pool to pick from. Avvo is, well, it's kinda wild here. They've got one of the biggest lawyer directories nationwide. You can sort by legal specialty, zip code, ratings, the works. Tons of verified reviews, and their Q&A forum is seriously packed with answers straight from attorneys, not to say everything's perfect. Sometimes people wonder about how legit all those reviews really are, and you don't get bundled advice. But for sheer range and transparency, Avvo is definitely the winner in this category. Next up, pricing and value. So Rocket Lawyer does a solid job at keeping things predictable. You get a 7-day free trial, and then it's this flat monthly fee, or you can go annual for a discount. And yeah, for folks who need lots of documents, those Legal Plus features are baked right in. Some add-ons, like a registered agent, will cost more. Avvo, on the other hand, lets you browse their massive lawyer directory and all those legal guides totally free. You can even jump in their Q&A forum at zero cost. If you want to consult a lawyer, though, prices can be all over the place because you negotiate directly with an attorney, not through Avvo. And there's really no filing or documents bundled here, so if budget and steady rates matter, Rocket Lawyer squeaks ahead as the winner. Oh, and here's something cool, did you know? Rocket Lawyer was launched way back in 2008 and has helped more than 25 million people sort out legal messes. Avvo's got a lawyer directory that covers like 97% of attorneys in the United States. That's, wow, actually kinda mind-blowing. Reputation and user ratings. Now this is interesting. Rocket Lawyer gets mostly thumbs up for being reliable and convenient. It's got a pretty good standing among DIYers and small business folks. There are some customer service complaints. I mean, what service doesn't have those, right? Avvo is super popular when you're hunting for a lawyer, but it's got a kinda shaky BBB rating, like we're talking an F-ouch. And there's a fair amount of mixed user reviews, even a bit of controversy about how reliable it all is. So, in terms of overall reputation, Rocket Lawyer wins this round. Features and extras? Now Rocket Lawyer's flexing again. You get stuff like business formation, tax filing, document storage, e-signatures, and attorney consultations baked into your subscription. Sure, some of it's behind a paywall, but for members, pretty awesome. Avvo is a little lighter here. You don't even need to log in to start browsing legal Q&A, and lawyer profiles show all their specialties, reviews, credentials. And it's a big but, there's no business formation, no document drafting. Really, it's just a gateway to lawyer profiles, not a toolkit. So features and extras, yup, Rocket Lawyer takes the win. If you're a visual person, and honestly, who isn't, picture Rocket Lawyer spiking high in legal documents, features, and reputation. Avvo's swelling on finding legal help, but other scores not so much. The radar chart makes the gaps pretty clear. So bottom line, Rocket Lawyer's the obvious go-to if you want ready-made legal documents, recurring advice, or you're building a business on a budget that needs forms. If you like shopping around for lawyers, absorbing tons of legal info, or getting personalized answers before committing, Avvo is where you'll want to hang out. For businesses that need actual document generation, Rocket Lawyer's your friend. Curious browsers or folks who love comparing attorney ratings, maybe even reading a few spicy Q&As, Avvo's got your back. That's it for our breakdown. So need the right legal solution? Try Rocket Lawyer for easy DIY documents, or if you're shopping for a lawyer, Avvo makes that search way smoother. Go check 'em out and let me know what you dig most.